Hey beautiful people, welcome to Adventure Lab. This is a video about my Easter Sunday dress. If you are new to this channel, this is Adventure Lab. We explore DIY crafts, clothes, home improvements, hair, among other things. Basically just doing things ourselves. So let's get into the video. So I got this inspiration from a creator on YouTube here. Her name is on the image, and I wanted to wear this dress for Easter. So I have this bag of fabric that I got, and I chose the fabric out of it, and then the one I was going to pair it with. So in order to take my measurements, I use a dress that I like, and I like the fitting on my body, to map out the pattern. So that's the pattern that I used, and then I began to put it together. If you want a detailed video of how I put the dress together, I would do another one with much detail. So this is the finished product. I was able to finish the kimono. It was such a fulfilling experience. Something happened when I was done making this dress. I was trying to iron it to straighten out the edges, and you will not believe that on Easter Sunday morning the iron burnt my kimono. But still, you know, we move, right? We're resilient people, so we move. So this kimono is versatile. There's a belt I put inside so that I can have some fitting. I also made a matching skirt with some ruffles in between. So this matching skirt I used a pleat to make the ruffles in between. You know, I tried to iron it as well, but I was scared, you know. But I just ironed it a bit just to make sure that it's protected from, you know, getting burnt. Again, with kimono burnt, I can manage that, but with skirt burnt, there is no replacement, right? So this was me fitting the dress, the skirt, just to make sure that it was my right size, and that the fitting was right, the waist and everything was properly, you know, snatched. And then this was me wearing it both in different ways: the belt tied in front, the belt tied inside, the belt tied behind, right? And yeah, so I was test running just to see how I was going to rock this outfit that I made in under an hour. And yeah, this is without the belt tied at all, and then the belt tied at the back, so it just looks like a big, you know, bubu and all that. So yeah, I got a lot of compliments on this day, and you know, this was a very fulfilling day. Thanks everyone. You can guess how I rocked this dress to church. Put it in the comment section. Also, if you want me to put a detailed step-by-step guide on how to make a dress yourself, also put it in the comment section. See you in the next one. Bye.